Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload a large video on Gmail. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Well, if you don't know, then usually you can only send about 25 MB video on Gmail. So in order to send a video that is larger than 25 MB, then the first thing that you need to do is go to your Google Drive. And once on your Google Drive, from here you'll have to upload the file that you want to send on your Gmail. Then here, as you can see, preparing to upload a file, you'll have to wait for some time for your file to be uploaded on your Google Drive. And here, as you can see, your file has been uploaded on your Google Drive. Here I will be renaming the file so that it will be easier for me to upload it, and rename. And after that, here I will be going back and open my Gmail. After opening the Gmail, here you'll have to tap on compose. And from here, you'll have to type in the person's email address. And here, as you can see on the top right hand side corner, you can see three options. There is a paperclip icon and a send button and three dots. Here you'll have to tap on the paperclip icon. Then you can see two options, that is attach a file or insert from drive. Here you'll have to tap on insert from drive. And after that, you can go on your drive or recent video. I will be choosing the recent one. And from here, select the video that you want to send and tap on select. And just like that, here as you can see, the video that you want to send has been on your email. After that, tap on the send button. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully sent your video through Gmail. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.